Good morning, Generals. It is Friday, August 28th. We're going to do our SEL question. We're going to complete our Friday bell ringer and turn it in. We're going to go to watch a video on the library orientation, and we are going to start creating a virtual room. Your learning target is you can explain your ideas and your thoughts, and you can write about a topic. So let's go ahead and go to the Google Classroom. Okay, I want to load my Google Classroom Level 2, and I am going to the Classwork tab. Under Classwork tab is the resources. We're going to click on the 6th grade ELAR Level 2 Padlet. Go there. We're going to answer our SEL question of the day. What is your favorite holiday? Remember, you need to use this little pink circle with the pencil. You're going to click it. It's going to put the title. Make sure you put your name. And then you write down which one is your favorite holiday. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is complete our bell ringer. So we need to go back to Google Classroom. We're going to go to the Classwork tab. You're going to click on bell ringers, and we're going to open it up. So once bell ringers loads, we are going to the Friday assignment. All of the rest of these should be completed. Here is Friday. Choose a topic to write about. So what you're going to do is you're going to focus on writing. You're going to focus on writing about anything that you want. It needs to be at least 3 sentences. I would hope that it's more, but if that's all you can do, that's fine. You can write about anything that you want. So you want to tell me about how much you like pizza, or that your little sister is so cute, or that maybe you really like digital learning, or maybe you really don't like digital learning. Whatever you want to, whatever is on your mind, you need to write it right here in the Friday free write. So I'll give you a moment to do that, and then we are going to continue to our next activity. Right, you should have completed your Friday activity. Right here, you're going to turn it in. So it says bell ringers. You need to click on where it says view assignment. So up here, there's going to be a button that says turn in. So I have 11 people that have turned in their assignment. Great job. Okay, and I have 4 people that still need to work on it. Alexander, Arturo, Harrison, and Mauricio have not turned it in. So please make sure you get that turned in and finished. All right, we're going to go back to the Google Classroom. And we are going to click on Virtual Room Assignment. So I'm going to open up the Virtual Room Assignment. And I have 2 things to do today. So you are going to watch slide number 2, which has the library orientation. You're going to check out a book, and then you're going to create your digital classroom. So I'm going to give you a moment to watch the library orientation, and then I'm going to show you how to get to the Northeast website so that you can check out a book. Okay, Mrs. Gassinger explained different ways to check out a book. I am going to go through one of the ways that she explained, but you do not have to go this way. You can go the way that she said. You're going to go through the Launchpad. So you're going to go to neisd.net, and then you're going to click on the Launchpad. Once the Launchpad opens, you can go straight to Eisenhower Library like she said, or you can go to Library Resources. I'm going to click on Library Resources, and I'm going to look for the Sora app. When the Sora app opens, it's going to ask you for Northeast Independent School District. Okay, so it's going to ask you to add a library. Make sure you add Northeast Independent School District. Ms. Gassinger went through the different areas in this page, so I'm not going to go through that. My only thing is you need to make sure you check out at least 1 book in English. You may check out Spanish also, but I want you to read at least 1 book in English, okay? So the Spanish books are down a little bit lower, and then you need to, so you can get 1 in Spanish and 1 in English. All right, the last thing that you have to do today, you have to go and create a virtual classroom. So you're going to go to slide number 4, which is blank. You're going to go where it says background, and you want to change the background. You're going to choose an image. So I want to do a Google image search. And there's a video that Miss Gaskinger explains how to do this. Wall and floor background. So I'm going to find something that I like. I'm going to make sure I hit the insert button and choose done. Okay, so now I have my floor and my wall. I can start inserting my items. So I'm going to do insert, image, search the web. So maybe I want to put a sofa in my room. Okay. I'm going to insert my sofa. I'm going to have to resize it. If you don't like how this is turning out white, you can watch Mrs. Gassinger's video on page 3, and she will explain how to find something that does not have a white background or a different color background. So please make sure you check out the virtual room video tutorial. You need to have your background and you need to have 2 items in your room today. Okay, so that is your assignment. I hope you have a great weekend and I will see you on Monday. Bye.